Welcome to MBBS Council. Many parents who took our premium subscription are requesting us to give order of colleges for MCC counseling. They are more worried that they miss allotment in a better college if they do any mistake during choice filling. In this video, I'll talk about why order of choices is different for every candidate and few choice filling tricks you can use to fill choices for MCC counseling. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Install MBBS Console Android App. It contains everything you need to know to predict and rank medical colleges. Even though it is difficult to analyze and compare quality of medical colleges, there are some tricks that you can use to filter out many colleges and compare colleges using MBBS Console App. You can use previous year parents' knowledge and wisdom to come up with your college choices. 3 important things to check before choice filling is education quality, clinical practice, and tuition fees. If you are on a platinum level subscription of MBBS Council Android App, you can see the ranking of all medical colleges by clicking the college ranking menu. You can get the All India preference rank for all government medical colleges. You can also filter colleges based on your state. This rank is given based on how parents preferred a particular medical college. AIIMS Delhi is the most preferred medical college in India. Medical colleges with last closing rank is the least preferred. Last year, it was Assam medical colleges because of 5 years bond and few medical colleges which have high tuition fees. Colleges like Raja Mutaya which charge more than 4 lakhs per year tuition fees. Even though this year Raja Mutaya Medical College fees is reduced to Rs 13,610 per year, many colleges still charge more than 1 lakh per year tuition fees. So if your budget is below that, avoid those medical colleges in your choice list. You can see the college list based on All India preference rank on the left hand side. AIIMS Delhi is not followed by other AIIMS or JIPMER. Instead, last year parents choose Delhi medical colleges. You will get the complete ranking for all government medical colleges except the newly permitted medical colleges, as there were no previous year allotment data for them. If you click government college fees as criteria for ranking from the college ranking menu, then you would have got the right hand side screen which tells the tuition fees for all medical colleges in the increasing order. MGM Jamshedpur stands at rank 51 and charges Rs 9,310 per year. You can see that tuition fees increases with the rank. Choice filling order varies from candidate to candidate. Students from Karnataka will prefer to study in Karnataka medical colleges rather than picking college from Uttar Pradesh. So, he'll place Karnataka colleges at the top and fill Uttar Pradesh colleges at the bottom, or completely leave them from the list if he or she does not want to study in Uttar Pradesh colleges. Even though all AIIMS come under Institute of National Importance, all AIIMS are not considered equal. More than half of the AIIMS colleges started recently, which means inexperienced faculties, poor facilities, low patient flow, etc. So parents avoid them and pick well-established colleges which are more than at least 8 years old. These colleges will have passed out medical students and few PG residents as well. This will help them get guidance from seniors and residents for MBBS as well as for the PG preparation. After old AIIMS colleges and JIPMER Puducherry, Delhi medical colleges followed by Chandigarh, Banaras Hindu University and Aligarh Muslim University should be preferred because there is no service bond and they all have internal PG quota. After that, you need to put your state top medical colleges. You can use the state rank menu from the college ranking screen to get that list. After that, you can add newly permitted AIMS colleges if you are looking for AIMS brand in your resume. Depending on whether you have plans for USMLE or NEET PG coaching, you can put top colleges in the nearby states. After that, add rest of the medical colleges from your state. If your rank is high, then add left out nearby state medical colleges in your list. If you can afford only government colleges and comfortable to serve the state government for few years before moving to PG course, then you can choose high fees medical colleges as well as colleges with more than 1 year service bond or high penalty like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you find this video helpful during choice filling. If you like it, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you need expert paid guidance, contact Paid Admission Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.